All right, so today we're doing exponential to logarithmic. And what I want to do with this video is I want to take an exponential expression and convert it to being a logarithmic expression. So the way we're going to do that is we're going to be taking our base, which is going to be the number that we're taking to a power. We're going to take that base and we're going to put it as the base of the logarithm. So the b is going to show up as the base of the logarithm. And then the number that's the exponent right up here, this y, that's going to end up on the other side of the equal sign. And then whatever your result is, your x, is going to go inside of the parentheses. So for this first one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the exponential form, and I'm going to convert it to being a logarithmic form. Logarithmic. Okay, so for this one, the base is 2. So when I write my log expression, it's going to have a base of 2 at the bottom. So that base always stays at the bottom of the logarithm. And then the exponent, which is 6, is going to be transferred to the other side. The exponent gets to go to the other side. And then the last remaining number, this 64, that is basically the result of taking 2 to the 6th power, you're going to put it inside of the parentheses. So I'm going to put the 64 inside of the parentheses. And then I'm done. I have my logarithmic expression now. Okay, for number 2, notice that the base is going to be 3. So that's going to become the base of my logarithm. Now the exponent is going to go on the other side of the equal sign. I'm going to take my result, which is 81, and put it inside the parentheses. And then the exponent goes on the other side. So that 4 is going to go to the other side of the equal sign. So logarithm base 3 of 81 is equal to 4. That's how we would say that. All right, for number 3, we have a base of 5. 5 is going to be our base. So when we write our logarithm, it's going to have a base of 5. Now the result is 1 over 25, so that's going to go inside the parentheses. 1 over 25. And then on the other side of the equal sign, we're going to have our exponent, which in this case is a negative 2. All right, and that's number 3. And then lastly, number 4, 7 to the 0 power is equal to 1. So if you take any non-zero number and take it to the 0 power, you're automatically going to get 1. But can we take this exponential equation and make it into a logarithmic equation? Well, we can. We just need to know the exponent and the base. So the base here is going to be a 7. So I'm going to take that 7 and make it the base of my new logarithm. I know the exponent is going to go to the other side, so I'm going to wait on that. Inside the parentheses, I'm going to have the result, which is 1. So that's going to go on the inside, and then the exponent is going to go to the other side of the equal sign. So logarithm base 7 of 1 is equal to 0. So that's how you take an exponential form and you change it into a logarithmic form. You need to know the base, you need to know the exponent or the power, and you need to know the result. And I hope that helps.